Question 3. Work out 54.6 times 4.3. Now there are several ways you could do this. Make sure you've got a method that works. My method is to use a grid like this, which I've pre-drawn. So the way I do this is I ignore the decimal points. So I'm going to work out 546 times 43. And I'm going to break my number down into 546 multiplied by 43. Start with the easiest sums. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 40s are 120. 3 500s are 1500. Now 40 times 6 is 240. Just be careful here when you start getting more zeros. 40 times 40, well 4 times 4 is 16. And I need to put 2 zeros on. And this is a common error here. 4 times 5 is 20. And then you put the 3 zeros on. 1, 2, 3. Reaching this point, even if there was one error in your calculation somewhere, would get you a mark. The next step is to add them up. Take your time doing this. Make sure you line them up properly. And make sure you show all your workings. Nobody ever intends to make a silly mistake, but if you show your workings, you'll reduce the chances of making a silly mistake, and if you do, you'll only lose 1 mark because you've shown all your workings. So we've got 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 and 6 is 11, 12, 13, 14, carry 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, we've got 23,478. Getting those digits gets you the second mark. The quickest way to get the answer is to look at the question and say, in the question there are 2 numbers after the decimal point. So in my answer there will be 2 numbers after the decimal point. Alternatively, 4 times 50 is 200. So 4 times a bit more than 50, actually a bit more than 4 times a bit more than 50 will be a bit more than 200. You could also check your estimation that way. Getting the answer gets you the third mark.